Welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create a dashboard using the Power BI tool and using also the world population dataset. So I will teach everything from beginning to end, step by step. So bear with me and let's go to the computer and start work. So here is the world population dashboard, which I'm going to show step by step how you can create this dashboard. So in order to create this dashboard, the data set you have to get it from the online. So just go to the Google and write here world population. See world population review, and so click on the first one, and this is the world population website. From here we'll go to the CSV file. This is the table. Here you can see 2022 world population, almost 7.9 over 9 billion people living in the world right now. And so if you see the columns, the country wise, here is 232 countries and China is on the top, and there are live data. You can see 2022 live. Here you can see current data, and also it has a 2020 population as well, and they have also the area of the country, density growth, percentage, and rank. So this is the data set I'm going to use to create our dashboard. So just download the CSV file, and once you download and take the CSV file and make a table, this data set, and then you can upload in Power BI. So now I just gonna minimize all this. Here is the dashboard. So let's talk about this dashboard. Before I show this dashboard step by step how you can create, I'm gonna talk about what you can find out from here. So as you can see, here is the world population right now, 7.9 billion, and the number of country 232s. So here is the table for all the country listed over here, and on the bottom here you can see some growth and decline. There are 194 countries, their population is growing, but there are also 38 countries, they are declining population. If you click one of the country, you will see the rank of the country, you will see the total population in the country, you will see the area of the country, as well as how many people live per square kilometer. So I also have shown some visualization. Here is a top 10 countries population, China and India. China is the highest, India is the second highest, and also density wise top 10 countries population as well. So here you can see the tree map. You can see the highest area is China and India. They're the most 40%, almost 40% people live in these two countries, China and India. And as you can see, here is the geographical location for all the countries. So now if you wanted to see any of those countries, say for example if you wanted to see the China, so click on the China, and then you'll see it will filter context will work here, and you can see is a number one country, and rank is also number one population wise, and here is the 1.45 billion people right now, and area also area per square kilometer, and 149 people live in China per square kilometer. And anything like if you any country you wanted to see, you can just click on that country and it will give you the all the area wise, population wise, the information. Say for example, if you wanted to see any other country like China you already did. So now if I want to say for example Canada, if you click the Canada, you will see those are not on the top 10 population or anything like that, but noticeable you can see only per square kilometer 4 people live. This is a huge area in Canada, but only 4 people live per square kilometer. And rank wise, world population is 38, and 38 million people live in this country, and you can see the geographical location. So if I wanted to, in contrast, if you wanted to see the Bangladesh, if you just click the Bangladesh, it's on the top, Bangladesh here, right here. If you click on Bangladesh, you can see in 1138 people live per square kilometer, and the top rank is 8 on the population wise, top 8, and 168 million people live with this small area, 147.570 kilometer. So it's way too less compared to people. So that's why density wise Bangladesh top 10, density wise Bangladesh is on the top. Alright, so anything like that. Or if you wanted to see something different, say for example, if I go on the bottom like a Vatican City, if you click on Vatican City, you can see Vatican City is only 1 kilometer per square kilometer area, only 1 kilometer. So that's why there are total 799 people in that country only, and it is the rank wise, it is lowest on the within the 232 countries, and population. And so since it is 1 kilometer, that's why 799 also people live in square kilometer, since it is 1 kilometer. So this is any population wise or geographical or area location. If you wanted to know about visualization, then you will be able to see from this dashboard. So how to make this dashboard? So I'm gonna go through this dashboard step by step from my second video also. Okay, and so stay tuned. I will create the second video and I will post it soon. So thank you for watching. See you soon.